LG OLED. After 4 years of heavy usage. You really don't need a soundbar for it. But it's very reflective. I was using this TV as a PC monitor 10 hours a day, every single day. How many hours? 0, 4, 1, 3. And we do have 11,452 hours of usage. 11,000 hours. Now that is something. Well, the question is, are we going to have any burning? See, it is very reflective. White. No. No burning. Red. Don't see any burning at all. Green. No burning. Blue. No burning. Uniformities. Well, at the bottom, a little bit darker. Just a tiny bit. Color distance. Gradients. Sharpness is extremely sharp. Viewing angles are infinite. Gamma. Response time. It's 120 Hertz screen. See, very, very responsive. I do have a couple of dead, well, stuck pixels. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. You see? There's a couple of them. And there's a little bit more. Another one. And another one. And a little bit more at the very edge. But you know what? If you're watching TV or some content, you won't be able to see any of those dots. Look how weird it is in the corners. That's YouTube, I think. Okay, you can see that. Black. Barely. You have to be like 20 centimeters to a TV, which is not ideal. Of course, Magic Remote is fantastic. Everything works extremely fast. I'm assuming the latest models are even faster. Still, look how fast it is. Do you need any faster? I don't know, maybe. Maybe smoother because it's like jumpy. It is jumpy. But it is fast. Really, really fast. Even 5 years old TV looks stunning. Well, I have a 2024 LCD panel. It's not even close to that image. Not even close. So there you go. OLED is the way to go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.